manifested so much of his potential. Till then he was not aware. Though their relationship was a little different, of a master and a servant, of a sevak, he served the Lord with that bhavana. But Bhagwan considers him as very, very dear. And when he comes back from Lanka, he gives him a big hug. And in Hanuman Chalisa it is said, Tumma mama priya, Bharata hi samabhai. You are as dear to me as Bharat, who is so like one of the closest brothers. He loves Bharat the most actually. So the idea is that in the person of this, in the presence of this person, the best in you starts manifesting. That person is a real friend. A real friend is not just one who shares everything with you, but a real friend opens your eyes to your own potential which you also may not be aware of. You will see that in the example of Krishna and Arjuna. The best in Arjuna came out because of Krishna. Many examples like that you will find. That is real friendship. The best in you starts coming out. So he says, Guna pragatai, our guna ni durava. And the person protects you, knows your limitations, so does not allow you to get hurt and criticized by the world. Stands as a shield for you. Not defending your bad qualities, but acts like a shield to protect you from getting exploited, to protect you from getting emotionally hurt, protect you from getting fooled by somebody. One knows. One doesn't, many times what happens today for the sake of popularity, we start making fun of people. So let us say two of them are good friends and one friend, somebody is pulling their leg. And slowly what happens, we don't realize that line between fun and insult. Now that line between fun and insult, when it is not understood, when that fun has turned into insult, and then a person is feeling very bad inside, the real friend is the one who will stand up for this person, will not allow that fun to get into insult. The moment that happens, will stop. Otherwise, today, though, for popularity's sake, everybody starts, even this good friend of this fellow will start siding other people and trying to pull the leg of this guy. A real friend who is sensitive will understand, no, this is not appropriate. Though a person may have a certain limitation, but that self-respect should not get compromised. And will stand up. So, avagunani durava. Person who stands up for your flaws, who waits, watches very carefully, and is all the time with you, does not allow you to get hurt and damaged. Deta leta mana sankana dharai. Without holding back, one gives and takes. There is a mutual giving and taking happening in that friendship. So there is no ego involved. That's the beauty here. In a friendship, there is no ego involved. When I have to give, I give freely. I don't start calculating, last time he did only this much for me, so I will do only this much. No calculation is there. There's free giving and there's free taking also. It is not that, I give, I am only a giver, I don't take. There's no ego, because when you take something also, you bring joy to other people who have brought that with so much of love. So there is no block in giving and taking. Freely one gives, freely one takes. Deta leta mana sankana dharai, bala anumana sada hita karai. So he says here, Bal Anuman Sadahita Karai, will always do the good of the friend, estimating even the strength of the friend. Suppose the friend needs that extra push, suppose you are striving for a CAT exam or something. Most of the people who strive for CAT exam becomes rats before the exam. So scared from inside, CAT is coming, CAT is coming, CAT is coming. If a friend needs that push, that come on, you can do it. He has that skill, but that inner strength is lacking. Give that push, give that thrust, be there for that person psychologically. So, judging that person's strength, judging that person's capacity, bala anuman sadahit kare. Right now we will, that chapter I have to finish. Vipati kal kar sataguna neha, shrutika santa mitra guna eha. So is that finding the person in distress, vipati kala kar sataguna neha. In difficult times, he loves that friend 100 times more. This is a very nice line. You know what a person needs when one is in distress is not solutions, is not some kind of what you can say, head-oriented approach. What that person needs is that you are with me. That's all that person needs. Nothing more that person needs. Support, emotional support is what that person needs. Otherwise, there are enough people who condemn their friend also. इतना भी तुमको नहीं आता? You think your problems are so big? It's so ordinary they are. ये ऐसा ऐसा करो, ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा problem solved. You will be out of it. And for this small thing you are brooding so much. Where is your strength gone? Why have you become so big? Are you finished? That person who is already in trouble will feel that now my friend also thinks that I am weak. Now my friend also thinks that I am incapable. Person becomes lonely. And many times this happens, that a person becomes depressed. Some people commit suicide also because they think that there is nobody to be with me and in such difficult times. And nowadays it happens so easily. People get into drugs, they get into depression, they get into suicide. Fat, straight. Why? Because nobody cared for me, nobody loved me. More and more, one is becoming distanced from the emotional connect. Why that is happening? Because we are not able to empathize with others. That in difficult times, what do people really need? They just need us to be there with them. If you see in stressful times, what the mother does, a real loving mother will just be there. Now I ask so many parents, some of them when they come to us, we tell them. So they say that, suppose we say that, okay, in March we have this program. So they will tell us that, Swamiji, March time, sorry, we won't be able to come for, we won't do so many things. I can't spend so much time because my child is needing me. So when you ask them that, what do you do for the child? So the mother will only say that, no, I just have to be there for my child. I don't have to do anything. My presence is just required, my child feels secure if I'm just there. I don't have to do anything. She may just cook something and give you some coffee, give you some small things to eat. That's all she may do. But the presence of the mother in the house is there. So you feel, so my mom is there. That is the connect. So emotionally one needs to be there with a friend when one is in distress. So that's why he says here that 100 times you love the friend, because that will give the real strength, not just your solutions. Vipata kala kara sataguna neha, shrutikaha santa mitra guna eha. The Veda says that such people are good people. Sant here means not saint. Sant here means one who is good at heart. Shrutikaha santa mitra guna eha. And the qualities of a friend are these, proclaimed in the Vedas. That how a person can be loving to somebody who is in difficult times. You can be there just to support emotionally, and that person will come out slowly. So right now we will stop here. We continue when we come back from lunch. We have a very interesting activity after lunch for you, because we are really interested in your welfare, and we want to bring out your potentials. As we saw here, the friend is the one in whose presence your potentials manifest, your faults get screened away, who is emotionally there for you. So what we are going to do is, after lunch, eat your lunch properly, nicely, don't get tense, don't get stressed out. It is very simple things. We have just broken about 40 bottles of glass, and the glass is spread on a path. And you just have to walk on that glass. That's all. Okay. This will bring out all the potentials that you have. It will remove all the fears that you have. So as a Friendship Day gift, we are offering this to you. An experience to walk on glass. Broken glass. And don't worry, we know that you may get into a lot of problems, so we have made all arrangements. So we have Dettol, Neosporin, cotton, and if you need bandage to tie your leg properly, we have that also. And we have enough chairs so that afterwards you can sit on chair if you have a problem in your feet. And suppose you start bleeding, we will identify those glass pieces and will remove and will replace them so that the next person doesn't get infected. So in the morning we have just done that exercise with the brahmacharis, and only 5 of them have some 3-4 cuts on their feet, that's all. Others have managed to escape, it is not much of a problem. And the 5 of them were a little bulky, so they offered no resistance to the glass. So the glass is also very lovingly gone inside them. So, and there are doctors also we have. So they will do everything for your safety, for your concern. I would only suggest that take the picture of your feet now and keep. Before glass walk, this was my feet. After glass walk, this is my feet. This is how it is going to be. And there are instructors who are waiting. And for those of you who find it easy, we would suggest them to do
Reverse.
go and again come back. So return to the same point. More about it you will experience by yourself. I should not give out everything. So, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. But you are going to miss one part, which the brahmacharis enjoyed. They actually took the bottles and they only broke. And they saw that it is actually the broken glasses. It is not plastic, okay? Please don't think it is plastic. It is actual glass there. And you can walk on that glass. Enjoy your lunch.